I only make pork ribs like this, in orange juice and without frying. Orange juice, and I'm going to add 1 kilogram of pork ribs. You'll be amazed by the final result of this recipe. It's the best way to prepare delicious pork ribs. But remember, you'll only learn these tips here. I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now I'll add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of chimichurri, and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I'm going to mix everything. This recipe has some steps where we need to mix the ingredients well, so take your time, and you'll get an amazing result in the end. And the best part? It's great for any occasion. It's a fantastic option if you want to surprise people at home with a great dinner. Try it out. Let it cook until it reaches this golden color here. The smell is already incredible, and I'm sure the flavor will be perfect once it's done. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a cup of water. I'll cover it again and let it cook for 20 minutes. But we're not done yet. I'm adding a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of barbecue, a tablespoon of mustard, and a tablespoon of honey. Then I'll mix it again. I love this recipe. I'm sure you and your family will love it too. I make it every weekend, and there's never any left because my family loves it and always asks me to make it again. I bet you're finding this recipe pretty easy to make too. If you like this preparation method, you'll love my upcoming tips. I still have many other secret recipes that I'll teach little by little, so stay tuned for more. It will look like this, with this color. This is the perfect doneness. Now just transfer it to a plate and try this delicious dish. It's a simple recipe, but the secret is in the combination of ingredients I used. If you get the right amount of each ingredient, I'm sure it will be perfect, just like mine. You can also add some parsley if you want. These tips are exclusive, so keep following me, and you'll never have trouble making dinner again. I'm here to help you with the best preparation methods, and surprising the people you care about with a delicious dinner is a great idea. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.